Okay, we are back again. Bit of a interruption and back now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy to answer your questions about digital marketing, social media, whatever you're looking for. Parth Naria is saying, how productive was your quarantine? Pretty productive. Hi,
Hello.
how are you doing?
Hello, Avi sir. Hi, Ritesh here.
Hi, Ritesh, how are you?
I'm audible, is it?
Loud and clear.
I'm super good, sir. I'm super good. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. Glad to meet you live, in fact.
Glad to meet you live as well. How can I
Okay.
help you?
Yes. Sir, I'm into wholesale business of textiles. So I had, and as well as I'm also into a network marketing business. So I'm understanding how do I utilize my MVM videos and MVM course so that I can build up anything in both of the sectors. So how do I start out? Like it's been almost 1 month. 1 month I've been enrolled and I'm attending all the Saturday classes also. So how to go forward? I'm just not getting the right niche that I should focus on this and get it started.
Okay, very good question. See, the thing is, like I always say, the internet is very easy. It gives you systems, it gives you processes. Know, like, trust, and buy. Right? People will know you, then they'll like you, then they'll trust you, and then they'll buy from you. It's this whole process sometimes can happen very fast, sometimes takes time. But it's a math. When you understand the math, you're like, okay, how long do I get to be known in a small community? How long does it take for me to build a small community? And then accordingly, you get your know done, right? So how do you get known? By making videos every day. So say for example, you talk to other textile traders, B2B, B2C, other people in India and abroad in different parts of India, smaller towns, and you're talking to them about textiles. And so you start a channel, like you could do a couple of things. You go live on Instagram every day and you say, this is the Ritesh Textile Show, where here we talk about where to source from, where to sell, all the good things. इतने सालों का आपका experience है. You talk to people, you bring in a guest. It could be somebody else from the textile trade. Bring in a guest, ask that person questions every day. Bring in somebody from the textile trade, ask them questions. Now, in that 1 hour, you will get enriched. Your knowledge will get enriched, and your audience will get value. And that 1 hour video will go on your YouTube channel, right? So what you've done is, this is sometimes called branding by association. So अपना brand जब तक नहीं बनता, हम दूसरों के through अपना brand बनाते हैं, right? So you get branding by
Right.
association. So you call other experts from the textile industry for your YouTube show or your Instagram live or your Facebook live. Ask them questions, let them answer. At the end, you say, guys, my name is Ritesh. If you have any textile related questions, please send me an email. Click on the link below. Other experts are coming, but it's your show. So you get known in the space as the textile guy on the internet, right? So that's how you get known. The more you do it, the more you get known. Now, how second is like. How do I get liked, right? Now, people will like you
Okay.
only if you help them out. So get people to send in questions. Say,
Mm-hmm.
send me your questions. I will either answer it myself or I'll ask somebody and I'll give you an answer. So on YouTube, when people are asking questions, मैंने आपका शो
Right.
देखा, मैं भी टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में हूँ या मैं B2B में हूँ, B2C में हूँ, मेरा ये सवाल है, आप सबके जवाब देना शुरू करोगे. People will say, I like you because you helped me out. So you will go from no to like. Then like to trust. How do you go to trust? When you say I'm coming live every day, come live every day. When you saying I'm live every week, doing a YouTube show every week, do it every week. If you're consistent, people start trusting you, right? So know, like, trust, and after that, once this know, like, trust happens, do it for a couple of weeks. Know, like, trust, know, like, trust, know, like, trust. After that, you can start selling two things. Either you can go the B2B route or you can go the B2C route. B2B route is that you can teach other textile people on how to grow their business on the internet and how to go know, like, trust. You say, see, I'm a textile guy and I'm using YouTube. I can talk to you about digital marketing as a person. Or you can say, I will help you also become a textile merchant. How to source, where to source from, where to sell. ये
Mm-hmm.
सारे सवाल 5 साल पहले जो आपको नॉलेज नहीं थी,
Mm-hmm.
आज कुछ लोग होंगे जो सिचुएशन में होंगे, वो आपके थ्रू करना चाहते हैं. So you can become a B2B textile coach, right? And for B2C, you can tell people that on your show, you can go the other route where people will come and buy from you because now you're known on the internet. And then once you get known, then you can have once a week, you can have a show where you show your products and services and tell people, send me inquiries. And that's how you go from know, like, trust, and buy.
The same things I can also approach my customers, approach my existing customers right now in through videos. Is it?
This is one part. What I answered
How
was
do I
one
connect
part.
with them? And then
This is a long-term brand building
this was
strategy.
an industry part.
Right. उसके बाद ये है आप बोलो कि I want to reach out to customers. That's the easiest part. Pick up the phone, give your hero introduction, tell them why you want to reach them, and tell them why you want to add, how you can add value to them. See, people are like, कौन सा video यार, जल्दी खत्म करो. When you say give them value, what is it that you can give to another textile trader? You know, you say, my name is Ritesh, I've been in the business for 10 years. The prices and the quality I have is what you've been looking for the last 3 months. Guess what? During lockdown period also, I can deliver it to you. Acha, ye problem solve kar raha hai meri. All you need to do is click on the link, let's book a call together. Or reply to my WhatsApp message, I'll get a call with you. Make it personalized. Dear Parth, dear Nikhil Bansal, dear Sudhanshu, whoever the person who you're sending it to, make it personalized. 3 videos a day, 15 a week, 60 a month. Send out 60. It's like having 60 meetings. हम काम पे भी तो रोज 3-4 मीटिंग करते हैं, कभी फोन पे, कभी इन पर्सन. एक वीडियो बनाने में 4 मिनट लगता है to send out to one new person. And if you send 3 videos, you're spending about 15-20 minutes a day. And just do it consistently, and you start saying, people will say, अच्छा फोन बुक कर देते हैं, ईमेल कर देते हैं. That's how people will start coming to you. I hope that helps.
Yes, definitely. I mean, it's a great, in fact, a boost to my start. In fact, I can start working on that, especially the 315 and 60 things.
आप आज के 3 करो, कल के 3 करो, और फिर कल शाम को तो हम मिल ही रहे हैं ना सैटरडे ट्रेनिंग में.
Yes.
Awesome.
Anything about network marketing which I can also incorporate in that?
Yeah, you can do the same thing, but like I would say that always, you know, raise one kid and then the other. If you have twins together, काम double हो जाता है. तो जब आप 2 चीजों पे brand बनाने लगते हो, it's like going and trying to catch, go in 2 different directions. So focus on one, then we'll come to the other one.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. It was really pleasure.
Same here. Thanks a lot.
Hi, Avi.
Hello. I just saw your video a couple of minutes back. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. अच्छा चल रहा है. Good. I mean, it's a major shift for me, as I mentioned in my video also. बड़े लोगों के साथ में काम करना, उसके बाद में फिर you have to make yourself a logo.
Right.
It's a major shift, right? So है मतलब, but I'm sure कि हो जाएगा. और इसीलिए मेरा क्वेश्चन था आपसे, जो कि मैंने उसमें भी डाला था, अपने ग्रुप में भी डाला था.
हाँ जी.
See, I have some digital assets. I have created some ebooks and some mini video series and all that. Okay, but they were more on PPT type of videos, slide और voice over है उसके साथ में. तो उसको तो मैं अब साइड में कर रहा हूँ, because I realize कि there has to be human touch. मतलब देखना चाहिए लोगों को कि कौन बात कर रहा है, कौन बोल रहा है, ताकि कनेक्शन हो.
हाँ जी.
तो उसमें 2 चीजें हैं. एक तो है ebook, जो कि taking the bull by the horns, which is basically based on my personal experience of working with these entrepreneurs, especially technology startups and technology growing businesses. उन लोग को बहुत स्ट्रगल है. मतलब वो बिना कुछ प्लान किए हुए कूद जाते हैं. उसके बाद 2-3 साल स्ट्रगल चलता है, 5 साल स्ट्रगल चलता है, राइट? और उसके बाद में एहसास होता है, और इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है कि बहुत नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं. मतलब वो कई बार तो अपनी पूरी सेविंग चली जाती है उनकी, या कहीं से लोन लिया रहता है, तो दे गेट इनटू डिफरेंट मेस ऑल टुगेदर. तो इसलिए
ऊपर वाले पे ब्लेम करते हैं, शायद मेरी किस्मत नहीं थी, ये था वो था. इट वाज रॉन्ग. या ठीक कह रहे हैं. हां जी. और
स्पेशली जो यंग जनरेशन है, जो कि बिना जाने हुए कि कहां कूद रहे हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन वी हियर अबाउट ओयो टाइप ऑफ सक्सेस स्टोरीज, तो वो काफी मिसलीडिंग से हो जाती है, क्योंकि 98% लोग तो फेल हो रहे हैं. हम लोग बात करते हैं 2% के बारे में. तो इन लोगों की हेल्प के लिए, यदि उसमें 0.1% भी यदि किसी को हेल्प मिल जाए, यदि 5 कंपनी भी बच जाए, 10 कंपनी भी बच जाए, if they go through this process of what should they know before they jump into the whole thing. इसके लिए एक छोटा सा ebook है, which is more of a ready reckoner. Okay, ready reckoner है, बुक नहीं है, ready reckoner है कि आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, आपको क्या आंसर देने हैं उसको, आप क्या प्रिपेयर्ड हो, क्या Do you have those answers for those tough questions, which anyway you are going to face? आपको
right.
आगे आके फेस करना ही है, राइट? तो उसके लिए कम से कम एक मेंटल प्रिपरेशन होता है, जो शिफ्ट जैसे मैं गुजर रहा हूँ अभी इस लर्निंग के थ्रू, एमबीएम के थ्रू, तो उसी तरह से जब वो गुजरेगा उससे, तो एक ई बुक है which can start with a low ticket item, okay, and funnel can be upsell, can be like personal coaching or personal mentoring, right? Can be like as you suggested, Facebook group बनाओ, अपनी community बनाओ, right? LinkedIn का ग्रुप बनाओ, जो भी है मतलब, तो उसमें और ये जो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशंस हैं, तो मुझे ना ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मैं इसको लॉन्च करूं कैसे, इसको मतलब व्हाट शुड बी द राइट अप्रोच, बिकॉज़ राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट नोन, यू नो, आई एम नोन इन अ वेरी लिमिटेड. Yeah.
Understood. See, the thing is, I think I genuinely, honestly feel this is a very good service because मैं कम से कम दिन में, जब लॉकडाउन से पहले कम से कम दिन में एक स्टार्टअप से मिलता था जो ऑफिस में आते थे, और मुझे लगता था कि उनको कहाँ से शुरुआत कराओ, कहाँ खत्म करो. So I understand what you're saying. I think it's a good service. A lot of people need it. You know, 2% सीए का भी रिजल्ट है, 2% मेडिकल का भी शायद रिजल्ट है, लेकिन उसमें इतनी पढ़ाई होती है, इतनी ट्यूशन होती है, इतनी किताबें होती है. स्टार्टअप में आप कोई पढ़ाई करके नहीं जाते. I think it's a beautiful concept, beautiful niche. There are two. See, why I've also done many ebooks. Now, ebook करके क्या होता है? I run a Facebook ad. Are you a startup or thinking of becoming a startup? Headlines. Then these are 3 secrets that 15 of my other startups have gone through.
Okay.
Okay. Or you say, as a startup, are you on the verge of quitting? Before quitting, read this 8-minute guide, only 8 minutes, easy to digest and all of that. So that's one way of doing it. And run an ad on Facebook, target startups, youngsters, starting up companies. Facebook की different जो targeting आपको मिलती है.
Right.
5-10,000 rupees आप खर्च के, you'll be able to get a couple of 100 people who will download it. Now, these are people who've downloaded your information. That means they're interested in it. Then you can do a couple of things. Then you can now you've got the database 500, 5,000, जो भी आपने दिया. Then you remarket to them through a Facebook ad and say, hey, I know you're a startup and I know you're interested in learning. My name is this, and I'm starting a webinar on Monday, 75 minutes, where I will break down the 3 secrets, 3 things which can help save a startup, help them get cash flow, help them how to talk to their next investor, and also help them find the right co-founder. Because जो उनकी main problems हैं, आप वही अपने webinar में promise करेंगे. And then you get, say, 100 people into your webinar, and you run them through the webinar. So that webinar is basically 70, 75, 90 minutes of you telling them, proving to them, see, I know my stuff. And after that, then you can go the whole level 1, level 2, level 3 route. Or you can say, I'm not selling any product. Again, I want to give you value. You've come here. Again, I want to book a one-on-one consulting with all of you people. I am not selling anything on the webinar. So that way you'll get, you give them a query form, make the query form as detailed as possible. Because अगर एक दो कॉल सब बुक कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जब कोई आदमी क्वेरी फॉर्म भरता है सीरियसली, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या चैलेंजेस हैं, you will realize कि this is a serious person, because you don't want to waste your time booking call for everybody. तो email address देना है तो सब दे देते हैं. Then you book a call for these people and you give them half an hour, 45 minutes, depending on how much time you have. You give them a listing before they book a call. After they book a call and before the actual call happens, there should be 1 or 2 videos that go from your side, and you say, please watch these videos till the very end before you get on a call with me. In that video, you will teach them in a video format what to expect. Give them some value, answer some questions, and say what to expect. I've already been through your questions, so I will not be taking questions on the call. I will come prepared and I will give you answers to the specific problems that you asked. At the end of 30 minutes, I will give you can either start working with me, and these are my charges. You can start working with me or not, doesn't matter. So you will at least know कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं, उसको भी पता होगा. We are doing business, ये call कहाँ जाने वाला है, and what is, how you're going to direct the call. So that is what I would do. Again, I'll frame it to you. Ebook, Facebook ad, get email addresses, phone numbers, remarket to them, get them on a webinar. On the webinar, either you sell them a course or you say, I'm not selling anything. I want to give you half an hour consulting, 45-minute consulting. You have to fill up this form. If only the serious people who fill up the form, I will take their request. Do 3-4 webinars, speak to 30-40 people. Out of them 3-4 लोगों को आप close कर लोगे. आप बोलोगे Facebook ad पे मैंने 50,000 रुपए खर्चे या 20,000 खर्चे या whatever. और मेरे को 4 client मिल गए. Maybe I made 2 lakh rupees. It's a good ROI. You keep continuing this cycle. If it's not a good ROI, you feel you need to do a course like I do a tripwire level 1, level 2, level 3. So you can say, fine, I'll do level 1, level 2, level 3, and I can also do the consulting.
Okay.
I would in your case, I would start with the consulting and then go on to the products work, because काम कोई भी लोग कहते हैं ना कि किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में, किसी भी बिजनेस में काम कम है, किसी में काम कम नहीं होता, काम हर चीज में ज्यादा होता है. You need to see how you want to balance your day. You know how many hours you want to work, how you want to balance your day. If consulting works for you, run a webinar, get consulting clients. And if a course works for you, see, course की एक बात होती है, course में you can build a big community, and out of that community, like I've got a community now on 21,000 on one group and 2,100 on one group. Every day, automatically people are buying my courses even without the webinar, because community अब बढ़ जाती है ना. People are telling other people. Number one, and number two, online consulting automatically happens. Can you consult me? Can we do one-on-one? So because community is बड़ी हो जाती है, then it starts feeding you. It becomes like a well which will always have water, because I've taken 1 year almost to build that community. So you have to see, community is long-term and consulting is immediate. You can say, I want immediate return on my time. You can do consulting and you can do products. So I've given you all the options.
Sure, I got it. I think the course is much better.
One more feedback I'd like to add is, from my experience, every time I've written a book, unless that book is 4 or 5 pages and bold and like a story, like, you know, you've read Jonathan Livingston Seagull or some beautiful book, जल्दी से पढ़ के खत्म हो गया, wow. अगर मैं बड़ी ई बुक देता हूँ ना, कोई नहीं, सब लोग डाउनलोड करते हैं, 5,000 लोगों का डेटा आ गया, लेकिन उन्होंने पढ़ा नहीं. I don't want people, 5,000 people on my database who have not read, who don't know who I am. फिर तो cold audience और warm audience में कोई फर्क ही नहीं हुआ. So then, instead of an ebook, I will create a 4-part, 1 hour free video course. So you would create 15 minutes, 4 fundamentals in 15 minutes. 15, 15, 15, 1 घंटे का आपने free course बनाया और course download करा लो उनको instead of an ebook. Video है, जल्दी देखेंगे.
I got it. So rather than ebook, it is better to convert them into some form of 1 hour course, 1.5 hours course. That I can do, I think.
1.5 hours भी नहीं. 45 minutes. Power. इतना punch देना, you like, wow, यार, ये बहुत अच्छा था. I mean, it's like when you go to a restaurant and before you wait for the food, say you're hungry, huh? You're going, and everybody who's genuinely in a problem is hungry. Genuinely. Somebody who really wants to make videos to grow their influence is hungry. Somebody whose startup is about to fail is hungry for your knowledge. Now, hungry person comes into a restaurant, he says, यार जल्दी से खाना दे दो. वो कहता है, सर जल्दी तो नहीं होगा, 20 मिनट लगेंगे, मैं आपको तब तक एक स्नैक्स दे देता हूँ. So you take the snack and you're like, this was very good. Now let me order जल्दी से 4 चीजें, इनका खाना बहुत अच्छा है. I really want the next step. So your snack has to teaser to your rest of your menu. It should be so good, but it should be a snack. It should not be juicy.
And the only problem that I was facing in this consulting was, and that's where the whole idea started. I knew you from Suren and Siddharth, and so I heard about you, and but I was not ready as such. You know, you have to be ready for getting into the whole, right? So, so in consulting, the choke that I'm facing, the ceiling that I'm hitting is that it's not scalable, right? And it's not passive in nature. I mean, as long as I'm working, it is working for me. So I thought of the course route that you're talking about is something which is which looks more logical. Have a course and then finally it's more like a funnel for us, right? I mean, whoever is going through your funnel finally.
Absolutely. So like I said, like level 1 is all the concepts, all the building of the startup. What do they need? How to hire a chartered accountant? How to hire a founder? What to do in their social media? So you build the basics. and you charge 5,999, 6,999, 7,999, 8,999, whatever. So that is the basic course. Then your second level course is execution. Sir, I want to implement a few things. So then in that second level course, which could be 15,000 rupees, you allow them to, you handhold them for 1 month, once a week, and you implement with them, not for them. Never implement for everybody, because they will never learn. That's how every coach should have to do it with them. Level 3 is your mastermind. Level 3 is your mastermind, where you sit with people and once a week or whatever, and you're teaching them, and they're asking their questions, and you once a week, 4 times a month, you come and you get answers from me on your business problem.
I think I got the clarity. Yeah, I got the clarity.
Level 4,
each proposition one has...
Level 4 can be one-on-one.
Okay.
Now, level 4 could be, you would say level 4 is the most expensive, and you say I'll take 1 or 2 students in level 4, or you will say मुझे level 4 करना ही मैं क्यों करूँ जब सब कुछ इसी में हो रहा है.
नहीं सही है, ठीक है. I got the clarity. Thanks Avi.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Hello, G. Nice to see you always.
You can hear me, right?
I can hear you. कहाँ है आपकी online shop?
Thank you, sir. Same here. मैंने काफी अभी 2-3 रिकॉर्ड कर दिए शोज, और अभी I'll put on the मतलब मैं आपको डायरेक्टली कैसे भेज सकता हूँ? I don't want to put it on the Facebook group right now.
Okay, so email कर दो friends@askaviarya.com.
Friends, okay.
हाँ, friends@askaviarya.
FRIENDS.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Yes, sir. The question I want to ask is कि जैसे कि जनरल में मेरा लीड मैग्नेट क्या होगा? मैंने जैसा मेरा शो हो रहा है या मेरे ट्रेड में, मतलब लीड मैग्नेट, व्हाट विल बी लीड मैग्नेट?
See, आपको लीड मैग्नेट नहीं चाहिए, आपको बेसिकली एक ऐड चलाना है. लीड मैग्नेट तो होता है when you send somebody and you get email database from somebody. आप तो एक ऐड चलाओ सीधा फेसबुक पे, वीडियो ऐड, right? Run a video ad, show your showroom and everything. Okay, guys, I'm doing this at 4 o'clock. You will learn about the new stuff that I have, the new clothes, new this thing, new whatever. 1 घंटे के लिए थोड़ा शोर मचा के ये भी दिखेगा और ये 4 टाइप की चीजें आ रही है, और 3 लोगों को कॉन्टेस्ट होगा एट द एंड, और 3 लोगों को ये 4 चीजें फ्री में मिलेंगी and all of that. So 4 से 5 के बीच में tell your wife that don't let your wife go anywhere else, because she will spend more money and come. When she comes to my online show, I'll give her the best discounts, whatever जो भी कहना है आपने. ऐसे करके you make an ad to pull people into your live. Selling तो आपकी लाइव पे होगी ना.
पर मैं अभी लाइव नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं अभी सिर्फ रिकॉर्डेड शोज आई एम रनिंग ऑन, लाइक आई हैव लाइक 25-30,000 पीपल. मैं उनको पूरा वो उसका लिंक व्हाट्सएप करूंगा, और सब प्लान है, और साथ में पुट इन माय इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक.
मेरे पास 100 वीडियोस हैं, 100 बनाए मैंने पिछले 1-1.5 साल में. मैं अगर आपको रोज एक वीडियो भेजूंगा लिंक में, आप नहीं देखोगे, लेकिन लाइव शो पे हम कितनी बातें करके कितना कुछ अचीव कर लेते हैं.
ओके
वो कुछ नोबडी रोकती है. आप उसमें, पता है, मैं लोगों को ये कहता हूँ कि द बेस्ट वे टू टेस्ट दैट पीपल आर वाचिंग योर कंटेंट और नॉट इज, अगर आप उसमें ये भी डाल के भेज दोगे ना, अगर आप ये वीडियो एंड तक देख के लास्ट में मुझे रिप्लाई करोगे तो मैं आपको 10,000 रुपीज कैश दूंगा. आपको फिर भी जवाब नहीं आएगा, लोग देखते ही नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाई लाइव इज सो पावरफुल. पीपल आर कमिंग. आई कैन टेल यू, ओके फाइन, tomorrow I've got a training, please come. If I say I want to sell you something, I'll say आप Monday जरूर आना. I will give you more information about this phone, and I'll tell you how you can increase your business with this phone if I was selling a phone or whatever. So you'll come to my show, and that's when I'll start selling.
Okay.
Live जाने का मतलब ये है कि आप your shop, because जो आपकी और मेरी पिछली 2 बार बात हुई है कि you are starting your taking your offline business online.
Yes.
So you have to sell live for a couple of hours every day. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप बोल रहे हो कि ठीक है मैं लड़के के थ्रू सामान भेज दूंगा आपके घर पे, आप देख लेना.
ओके,
गो लाइव.
समझ गया मैं.
इतना मजा आएगा, आप बंद नहीं कर पाओगे.
ओके, एंड आई वांट टू नो, लाइक जैसे कि बहुत सारे फेसबुक पे ग्रुप्स रहते हैं, जो भी शॉपिंग ग्रुप्स हैं और ये सब ग्रुप्स हैं, एंड मतलब आई हैव जॉइंड, मैंने उन सब में लॉगिन किया है, जॉइन. तो ऐसा कुछ होता है कि उसमें डालने से भी फर्क पड़ता है, मतलब उसमें ऐड चलाने से?
मेरा ये कहना है किसी और के ग्रुप में डालोगे तो पहली बात कोई एक्सेप्ट करे ना करे, आप एक न्यूज़पेपर का जो लास्ट पेज बन के रह जाओगे जिसमें 50 ऐड आते हैं, कोई नहीं देखता। अपना न्यूज़पेपर बनाओ।
Okay.
I always say become the mayor of your own town,
Okay.
become the president of your own association. How do you become the president of your own association? आप जैसे अगर मान लीजिए आप किसी और के एसोसिएशन में जाते हो तो वो ये कर सकते हो, ये नहीं कर सकते। Become the president of your association, open your own Facebook group and invite people who are
Okay.
आपका products is ladies wear or men's wear or everything.
Yeah, only ladies, women's wear. Yeah,
So
all
you say
ethnic women's wear.
okay, so you can you start a Facebook group, name it Get Styled, जो भी आपकी कंपनी का नाम है, या आपका नाम क्या है? सॉरी अगेन।
Okay. Nikhil.
नहीं तो आप कंपनी का नाम
Nikhil. My
निखिल
name is Nikhil. No, Kishori. My company is Kishori,
तो get,
and
become a
the show
Kishori.
is the Ethnic Trunk Show.
Okay, so you can say that the ethnic become a member of the Ethnic Trunk Show or get styled by Kishori. You know, so
Okay.
only for the fashion conscious women or something like that. People join your group, and you don't need to be the hero of your group. Your audience needs to be the hero of the group. So the first 35-40 members, ask them to put content on what is the kind of clothing that is right. They will say, you know, मैं summer में ये पहनता हूँ या मैं ये पहनती हूँ. This is good, that is good. Let them create the thing. You become the curator only. जैसे अगर आप कॉफी शॉप स्टार्ट करते हो, आप कॉफी शॉप में लोगों को ये नहीं बोलते ऐसी बात करना वैसी बात करना, आप चुपचाप कॉफी बेचना चाहते हो। यू वांट पीपल टू कम एंड हैव कन्वर्सेशंस, कोई लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, यू आर अ फैसिलिटेटर, एंड देन जब वो अपनी बातें करते हैं,
I understood.
दे रहे हो। Similarly, let it be their group where they say, okay, I'll tell you how fashion happens. The other lady will say, I'll tell you how fashion happens. So somebody will come, get something from London. Somebody will say, this is a better way of doing it. And in between, you will be giving information about the latest products and services that you have. So you will be serving them while they're doing their, you know, their conversations. So you can say conversations, you can say coffee conversations and salwar kameez or sarees by Kishori. Make it a coffee shop.
Understood, sir. So any Facebook or Instagram course like you can suggest? Any Facebook or Instagram like Saurav Jain Instagram?
मेरा सोशल मीडिया, मेरा लर्न सोशल मीडिया का ग्रुप आपने देखा है?
हाँ.
तो जो मैं करता हूँ आप वही कीजिए. Just copy what I'm doing. Every day I'm asking questions and everybody replies.
Okay.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, 50 लोग रिप्लाई करते हैं, फिर आपस में दूसरों के कमेंट्स आते हैं. हाउ कैन आई स्टार्ट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज? मैं अप्रूव करके बैठता हूँ, 50 लोग उसको जवाब दे देते हैं. So people are coming to my group, maybe 30% for me, but 70% they're saying this is a community where smart people. Mera aim is to have smart human beings with with good hearts. I don't want smart human beings with good hearts जो दूसरे को मदद करना चाहता है. यहाँ ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं. किसी को रात को 11 बजे प्रॉब्लम होती है, वो यार मेरे को मदद चाहिए, वो पहुंच जाएगा. ग्रुप मेरा है, मैं उसमें वहां मैं एडवर्टाइज किया तो मैंने आप लोगों को यहाँ बुला लिया, वहां मैंने एडवर्टाइज किया तो मेरे कोर्सेज, I sell my course. I am able to do everything on that group, but first it is a community I create for everybody else. So that's what you also do. So create a community for everybody else. आपका काम अपने आप हो जाएगा.
Okay. And so do I need to make any digital assets?
अभी नहीं. बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है. Instagram करना है, LinkedIn है, ये है, YouTube का शो करना है. बट अभी आप बहुत सारी चीजें करके बैठ जाओगे और सारी चीजें नहीं कर पाओगे.
नहीं, फोकस एक ही है सर, फोकस एक ही है. बस I'm just asking जो एक अंदर
of course, see, digital assets, see, for example, if you based on the nature of your community, say for example, you say my Facebook group is what is the demographic? I get women from 25 to 65. They are mostly from urban Indian towns. For example, they're from urban Indian towns. Their monthly household income is minimum 2 lakh rupees. They like to go to London, Germany, France, or nahi. They only like to go to Bombay, Chennai, whatever. They like to go to temples. They are religious. एक कस्टमर अवतार, एक हर आदमी अपनी दुकान बनाने से पहले, फेसबुक पेज बनाने से पहले, you make your customer अवतार. कौन मेरी आइडियल ऑडियंस है? इस टाइप के लोग मेरे से खरीदते हैं. आपने जब वो आइडियल ऑडियंस दिखती, साइड में देखिए, what is it that they want besides जो मैं प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा हूँ, उसके अलावा उनको क्या चाहिए? अच्छा, ये लोग नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं? नहीं, ये वो देखते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, सास बहू देखते हैं. अच्छा ये सास बहू लोग हैं, या ये नेटफ्लिक्स वाले हैं, या ये अमेजोन वाले हैं, अच्छा ये क्या कहते हैं, आर दे डॉग लवर्स और दे पेट लवर्स, हाउ मेनी पीपल इन माय कम्युनिटी आर इन जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल में, स्कॉर्पियन है, कोई पाइसियन है। अपनी कम्युनिटी को आप जितना जानने लग जाओगे ना एक्सेल शीट में बना के, इस टाइप के लोग हैं, इतने लोग हैं, then you will say, okay, what should I do every day for them? Then your job becomes to curate content. What content? फिर आप बोलोगे content, मैं डिजिटल एसेट बनाऊं, अच्छा ये है, इस टाइप की लेडीज है, ये उनकी उम्र है, ये है, इनको मैं क्या बनाऊं? आपने डिजिटल एसेट में अपना सामान नहीं बेचना है, आपने डिजिटल एसेट में उनको देना है what do they like. हाँ, maybe they want to learn how to dress better. Maybe they want to learn how the latest fashion that is happening in London, New York, France. Maybe they want to know how to lose weight before Diwali and get into their favorite outfit. What is it that they want? Agar nahi pata, send them an email. For my Facebook group and my YouTube channel, I want to be able to serve you. To serve you better, I need to know what is it that you want. एक क्वेश्चनर बना के भेज दीजिए 10 क्वेश्चन का, क्या मैं इस बारे में कंटेंट डालूं, इस बारे में डालूं, वो आपको बता देंगे नहीं जी हमको ये अच्छा लगता है, वो अच्छा लगता है, वो आपका लीड मैग्नेट बन जाएगा।
ओके,
When the audience
आपने बोला कि वो स्कॉर्पियंस हैं या वो सपोज वो फुटबॉल लव करते हैं या कुछ भी जो भी स्पोर्ट्स लव करते हैं, तो हाउ डू आई नो दैट? मतलब वो पोल करके आई विल एबल टू नो दैट, और हाउ विल बी आई बी एबल टू नो दैट?
हाँ, सो एक पोल करके ईमेल, एक पोल करके, दूसरा ये मान लीजिए आपके पास 10,000, आपने पिछली बार बताया था आपके पास बहुत बड़ा डेटाबेस है, तो अगर आप अक्टूबर में मेल भेजोगे तो स्कॉर्पियंस को भेजोगे उसी टाइम के बीच में, सो यू से इफ यू आर अ स्कॉर्पियन, आई गॉट अ स्पेशल गिफ्ट फॉर यू, सेंड मी योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड आई गिव यू 10% ऑफ। पाइसियन के लिए अलग डिस्काउंट है, किसी के लिए अलग है, सो यू आर पर्सनलाइजिंग योर ऑफर्स। या
ओके ओके। एंड वन मोर थिंग, लाइक मैं जो मैं शो कर रहा हूँ एग्जांपल, अभी जैसे मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग करी है, तो आई शुड हैव अ ब्रांड हीरो स्टोरी और आई शुड हैव माय हीरो स्टोरी, बिकॉज़ देयर आर मेनी पीपल लाइक मैं, मतलब मेरी कंपनी में मैं अकेला नहीं, मेरे ब्रदर्स भी हैं, मेरे डैड, मेरे अंकल भी हैं साथ में, तो लाइक आई शुड हैव अ माय हीरो स्टोरी और शुड आई हैव अ ब्रांड हीरो स्टोरी?
नहीं, आप अगर अपना शो कर रहे हो तो आप अपनी स्टोरी को स्टार्ट करके शो के साथ जोड़ दो ना। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, जब मैंने बोला कि आई जॉइन माय फादर्स बिजनेस, फिर मैंने ये किया, फिर मैंने अपनी कंपनी स्टार्ट करी, तो स्टोरी तो मेरी है, उसमें मेरे डैड भी आ गए, मॉम भी आ गई, सारी स्टोरी आ गई, लेकिन स्टोरी तो मैंने अपनी बनाई है।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच,
ऑल द बेस्ट,
बाय सर।
मजा तब आएगा जब आपके लाइव शो में से कुछ खरीदेंगे हम।
सर डन है एकदम, वेरी सून सर, वेरी सून,
डन, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट। How to monetize your live shows. Hi.
Hi Avi, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
I'm so good and I'm feeling happy to talk to you now.
Same here, thank you very much.
Waiting since long to talk to you.
Excellent.
Avi, I have a question as to how can a jewelry business can grow on social media? How can we make videos on jewelry?
Okay, so is it artificial jewelry? Of what kind of, what is the price range?
No, it's a real jewelry. Diamond and polki jewelry.
Okay, so great. So what are the top 3 objections of your clients? Is it genuine or not? Can I resell it or not? Is it an investment versus real estate? What is the objection? क्या 3 कारण है जिस वजह से वो कहते हैं अभी नहीं, बाद में खरीदेंगे? Objections क्या आती है?
Maybe. No, as such, there are no objections. We want more and more people to come to us and to buy jewelry from our brand.
No, I understand. I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. But when people come to your showroom and they, you know, when they buy from you, then they're like, what is it that people want to learn? एक तो मेरे हिसाब से लोग कहते हैं कि इसमें मेकिंग चार्जेस कितने हैं, अगर कल को मुझे बेचना हो तो, एक उनका ये मेजर ऑब्जेक्शन होता है, 4 लोगों से पूछेंगे, that's number 1. Number 2 is they feel my husband is saying that इससे अच्छा तो मैं अपार्टमेंट ले लेता हूँ या घर खरीद लेता हूँ या FD में डाल देता हूँ, स्टॉक्स ले लेता हूँ इसमें। So you have to understand, or you will say that एक ऑब्जेक्शन होती है कि अच्छा I'll get back to you, आज नहीं खरीदते, बाद में आ जाएंगे, because I feel that I need to see more jewelry in other
people. Yeah, people do that, but
so when जो लोगों का पेन पॉइंट होता है ना, these are the pain points or objections that are people are saying मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है और मुझे ज्वेलरी भी खरीदनी है, ताकि आई एम ऑल्सो हैप्पी, माय फैमिली इज आल्सो हैप्पी, आई मेड एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, आई डोंट फील मैंने पैसे खर्चे हैं, ऐसे आज के दिनों में मैंने पैसे खर्चे नहीं है, मैंने पैसे सेव करे प्लस मेरे को ज्वेलरी भी मिल गई. सो अगर सो इफ you always, whenever you start a business, whenever you promote a business, you write down the 3-4 objections that your client has, and then you start your Instagram channel or your YouTube channel every day with the same message. What's your full name?
Shweta Taluka.
Sorry?
Shweta Taluka. Shweta Taluka.
So you say, you can say that, are you looking to invest money and look good at the same time? Is your husband telling you not to buy anything because it's going to be lots of making charges? My husband told me the same thing, or my family told me the same thing. My name is Shweta Taluka, and in this show, I'm going to teach you how you can look good, feel good, keep buying jewelry, and make sure everybody in your family is happy, because this is an investment. And then you start your show. Because to pull people into the show, you need to have that hook. That hook always comes from the objection that the client has. Client की objection है कि मैं it's going to be expensive or making charges. So you start with that objection. Do you want to buy this? Yes, I want to buy it. But you feel that it's making charges ज़्यादा and it's not an investment. My name is Shweta Taluka. In this show, I'm going to tell you this. Okay. So that's the hook. Then is the story. You talk about why. Why should they talk to you? Why are you the expert? Always go into the backstory. How did you start? What was, जैसे मैं अपनी backstory बताता हूँ. How did you start? How did I get into digital marketing? You say how I got into jewelry marketing. What was the thing? So customers start relating with you. And then you get into the real meat of the matter, which is to say, okay, now I'm going to show you in today's show, I'm going to show you 2 pieces. Okay. Then you explain 1, then you explain 2. Then you say in this thing you can use in 4 places. This thing you can use in for the evening party, morning party, and whatever. Give it to your daughter or whatever. Use it. Because you have to give the use. People are thinking, अच्छा इसको और कहाँ use कर सकते हैं? Don't let your customer think, because the most difficult thing for a human being to do is to think. बहुत time लगता है लोगों को सोचने में. अच्छा सोच के बता. अच्छा लगा श्वेता, अब फिर आएंगे. हाँ नहीं. I want you to buy with me today. So जो आप सोच रहे हो वो मैं सोच के आपको पहले ही बता देता हूँ. इसका uses क्या हो सकते हैं? इसको you can give it to your daughter, you can do this, you can wear it in the evening, you can wear it in the morning, especially if you wear black के साथ हमेशा चलता है. अच्छा अभी summer आ रहा है, बिल्कुल चलेगा. 5 साल तक ये नहीं होगा. So you continue, so you can make a chart on the right and continue telling them what are the things. That can be your YouTube show, right? And you can start your YouTube show and make it once a week, once a day, depending on however you want it. That's one part. The other part is, what I like is going live like this. Going live is the most powerful thing today, because दुकानों में आना मुश्किल है. People are sitting at home, and you start a Shweta Taluka jewelry show where I will tell you how to buy the best jewelry at the best price, for example. And you advertise and you get women or whoever buys your jewelry to come in. They come in and you like, fine. थोड़ा सा आपने उनको अपने शो के बारे में बताया, थोड़ा अपना बैक स्टोरी बताया, थोड़े jewelry, just like a shopping channel on TV. Exactly. Yeah. You will be doing your sales and all of that. But यहाँ आप लोगों से questions भी दे सकते हो. Okay, what is the question you have? Can I wear this with a gown, or can I wear this in the morning or whatever? So that's how you market to them. So my idea of telling all of you people is, start your own live show. Just what am I doing right now? I am answering marketing questions, and I'm calling it the Ask Abhi Arya show. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on YouTube. And it's going to be there, and people are going to come in, other people are also going to start. Mera content bhi ban raha hai. Meri audience bhi बढ़ रही है. I'm adding value as well, right? And at the end of every video or videos, because I'm not selling anything, but in your video you will said people will come for months, not days, weeks, months after you created your video. अच्छा वो piece कितने का है, वो अभी भी है कि नहीं है. So your one piece of content will continue to give you business for a long time. Okay.
So, but it's a real jewelry. It's not artificial jewelry. So we have to gain trust. Once they will come, we will assure them that our jewelry is purely gold and there's no cheating. We don't cheat customers.
I understand. So the thing is that how does this happen? When you see somebody who's regularly on the internet, and you see other people are buying from that person, then your trust also develops with that human being. So that's what you need to be consistent on the internet to be able to let people know. See, the best way to be known, आज की डेट में अगर आप चाहते हो लोग आपको जाने और आपके ब्रांड को जाने, इंटरनेट इज द ओनली प्लेस.
Yeah.
And internet पे ads, you can run ads, but instead of running ads, I like this live forum. Come and
That's
ask
true.
me questions on what I can do for you.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you so much, Avi.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank
See you
you.
soon.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going strong. 4:43. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Hello, sir. My name is Shruti. I'm good. How are you, sir?
Very well. Thank you for asking.
Sir, I have a jewelry business. I started it 1.5 years ago through Instagram only. And now the thing is that I'm not able to fund my digital marketing things.
Things means
Uh, like digital marketing ads that we need to run. I have talked to many of the agencies and everything, but they're charging too much. Like 35,000 per month is their fee, and after that they ask me to spend at least 30 to 40,000 on my advertising expense. So I'm not able to do that. So I don't know how to scale it up without investing that lot of money every month.
oh, there are a couple of ways. A, that you can find a cheaper agency. There are many freelancers, many agencies have gone out of business. Today, there are a lot of people who are ready to do work, even on a profit sharing. They will sell something for you and they will take a percentage of it. So, आज की date में, if you advertise, if you just run an ad to find somebody who's ready to work with you on a lower retainer, I'm sure you'll find many people. 35,000 is a very decent price, but आज की date में 35,000 अगर आपको महंगा लग रहा है, you'll be able to find people who'll do it for maybe 20,000 plus charge you a percentage on the upside of the sales. Right? So that is one way of doing it. So don't give up. अगर एक agency ने मना कर दिया तो एक और भी मिल सकती है आपको, freelancers भी मिल सकते हैं आपको.
Yes,
Number
sir,
one.
sure, sir. Also, I have a yeah.
Yeah. Number two, the thing is that why don't you start doing your own social media promotion every single day? 3 videos a day, 15 a week, 16
Sir,
a month.
I have been doing my promotion from the last 1.5 year myself only, and my return on advertisement is around 3 to 4 times.
So फिर आपको क्या
But
जरूरत है?
now it feels like I'm stuck somewhere, and maybe I need to scale it up more. So that's
I
what
don't-
I'm confused about.
No. So if your ads are working and giving you, your return on ad spend, your ROAS is 4, right?
Yeah, 4.
Yeah. So then just spend more money. If you're putting in $1 and you're getting in
Yeah.
$4, then put in $4,000, $40,000. जब तक वो ROI
Yeah,
बंद नहीं
but
होता,
also-
तब तक चलो.
ऑल्सो मैं सिर्फ ये इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू कर पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं 1.5 साल से इंस्टाग्राम पे ही कर रही हूँ, तो मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम का तो पूरा नॉलेज है. बट व्हेन आई गो टू अनदर प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक FB एंड लाइक आई वांट टू start my channel on YouTube also, because it's artificial jewelry. So but there I lack, like I don't know how to put ads on FB, like targeted
No,
audience funnels and everything.
on without budget के अभी सारी conversation हो रही है without budget. अगर ad वाले budget की
Yeah,
बात होती है वो एक अलग conversation है, but you're saying without budget. So I'm telling you without budget. Start a Facebook community. I was just telling Nikhil, start a Facebook community of men and women who like this kind of artificial jewelry. Who are these people? 25 to 35. Are these the kind of people who go to Goa? Are these the kind of people who have tattoos? Are they adventure guys who have a bike and want to live a free life? किस type की आपकी audience है? I don't know. So make a customer avatar. Write down male, female. What kind of audience I have? Male, female, 25 to 55. What do they like? What are the likes, dislikes? And then invite these kind of people into your Facebook community, right? Or you can target only those people. Like, for example, a lot of coaches and trainers, people who want to become coaches and trainers, they want to learn digital marketing through me. So when I invite people into my Facebook group, I tell coaches and trainers to come into my group. So what kind of people do you want to invite into your Facebook group? Make a list of those kind of people and then run an ad, just a couple of $100, run an ad to invite the first few hundred people into your group. Now, once they've come into your group, what do they find? They find you coming in live every day and talking about how cool you can look with this artificial jewelry without spending a lot of money, right? Give them different looks, give them different
Yeah.
uses of that kind of jewelry, and then people will ask you a price, and you can start selling it there. Facebook allows you to open a Facebook shop as well today. So I would say do a Facebook community Facebook group, absolutely free, just money to drive people over there. The other thing I advise that you do is that to start a YouTube channel, you know what you have to do?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so just do it.
Yeah, sure, sir. Actually, I'm there in your group, social media, the
Right.
Learn Social Media group, and you inspired me so much. I have done 3 live sessions on my Instagram, and the results are so
Wow.
good. Like in the 1.5 year, I didn't conduct any live sessions, but in the last week, I conducted 2 sessions,
What was the
and
response? Tell me what
the
happened.
response was
What is a good response?
like I expected at least 100 people to join me live for the first live session that I conducted. I have a following of 41,000 right now on Instagram,
Very good.
and in the first live session there were 500 people who connected, and
Wow.
it was much more than expected. So it was very good motivation, and all because of you, sir. Because I always see your micro videos thing.
No, that's
So
good,
that's
but
how I did it, and
but now the thing is, you need to start selling.
yeah, I got orders from there also. I did this series called Lockdown Bestsellers.
On live.
Yeah, live
And
Instagram on Lockdown Bestseller. I made 2 episodes of that. Thank you
that's
so much, sir.
no, that's can you share how much money you made?
Because of the video, in last 4 days, I guess we have made a sale of around 10 to 12,000.
10 to 12,000 sitting at home doing it from your life.
Yeah, right.
Love it. Please continue. I want you to make 10,000 rupees a day from your
Thank
life.
you so much, sir. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Awesome. Take care. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir. I'll use all the tips and tricks that you have gave me right now.
Please do. Please do. Thank you very much. Guys,
Thank you, sir. Take care.
thank you. It gives me immense pleasure and happiness when I want to say, I told you you don't need to be depressed and unhappy because of lockdown. Look at this lady. She's done such a fantastic job. Lockdown bestsellers karke, she's selling on live. That's what I've been telling you people, guys. Use your lives. Make money. Okay, next. हाय सॉरी आप म्यूट है आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही आई कैन हियर यू आपकी वो म्यूट है शायद योर थिंग इज म्यूट योर Zoom or whatever you're using. I can't hear you. No problem. You can log back off and then come back after a couple of minutes. Yeah. Hello. We have only about 9 minutes left. Let's try to get 2 more people in. It's interesting. Lots of fun. Hi.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, same here.
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
So I wanted to start a travel agency right now after this lockdown. So how to go with the MVM method?
Interesting. So do you have any travel experience so far?
Yeah, 7-year experience almost.
Which are the destinations you've been selling?
Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Europe.
Okay.
Quite a
So I'll tell you.
not much.
See, the best way to start a travel agency today is to make an interest-based community. I'll give you an example. So for example, if you are fond of trekking and you want to take people for trekking tours, okay, आप कोई भी एक इंडस्ट्री पकड़ के ट्रैवल में you can pick up an interest instead of a destination. Start with an interest, okay? Say for example, your interest is trekking, so you will use your micro video and you will create an ad. You will say, जब आप ऑफिस में होते हैं तो आपका दिमाग और आपका दिल पहाड़ों में होता है. When you are sitting with your friends, you're always thinking, I wish I was climbing a mountain or a peak. If you are a crazy trekker like me, I want to invite you to the Crazy Trekkers Private Limited group on Facebook, because here we are all trekkers, and on Monday we talk about all the new peaks. Sorry? Hello, you can't hear me?
Voice is cracking right now. I think some problems.
Internet आपकी तरफ से थोड़ा slow चल रहा होगा. My internet is working perfectly right now.
हाँ जी.
आ रही है आवाज आपको? Okay, sorry, we lost the gentleman. I had a very good idea for him. What's up?
Hey, Avi.
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, so my number one question was how to gain confidence to constantly develop a video strategy, basically the micro video strategy.
Confidence, you mean you sometimes feel shy in front of the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So the best way to get over shyness is to be able to, I'll give you a long-term strategy and I'll give you a short-term strategy. The long-term strategy is make a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, call 1, 2, or 3 people in your life. Could be your mother, father, anybody, best friend, girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Call 1 or 2 or 3 people in that WhatsApp group who will not judge you. We all have somebody in our life jiske samne we can talk about anything, right? Call that one person or 2 people or 3 people, and name of the group on WhatsApp will be Shyness to Awesomeness. And you say, guys, I don't want to be shy anymore. And you guys are my best friends or my mother, father, you love me. Help me get over, go from shyness to awesomeness. Create a short group and every day post a video on that group for 5 days. Any video. Hi guys, I'm trying to get over my shyness. I think baal lambe ho gaye. I need to get a haircut. Okay, bye. Whatever video, just make a video. So that will help you slowly 5, 6, 7 days. Say, you know what? I'm creating videos. Kya farak padta hai? Kya farak padta hai? So you will then eventually want to post the videos because you've gotten over, you've gone from shyness to awesomeness, because you've already started posting it in that group and you're not even feeling judged. So go from the people who don't judge you and then you can go out into the real world. It's a long-term exercise. When I say long-term, you can finish it in 1 week. We call it the shyness to awesomeness thing. That is one way of getting over it. It's, the other thing that you can do is invite your best friend or your uncle or your aunt or your teacher or anybody you're comfortable talking to. Just say, I'm shy going on the internet. Why don't you and I go together? And we will ask each other questions. I'll ask you a question, you answer, you ask me a question, I will answer. It will be easy because when there are 2 people, you don't feel judged. Hindi, you understand Hindi?
Yeah, I understand.
So Hindi में कहते हैं ना सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So we are always in fear of judgment has paralyzed more dreams than anything else on the planet. So, but if you have another friend of yours, you worry less about the audience's judgment. You're more concerned about the Q&A that is happening, the dialogue. And that try these 2 things. Do 10. Keep on doing a YouTube show or a Instagram show live with another person. Keep on doing it for and then automatically you say, my camera fear is gone away. Now I can go solo. And then you start flying solo.
Yeah, I have one small question if you have time.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, so I sell explainer videos, the animated explainer videos. So what should I say, when I'm sending those videos to clients? So can you give me a brief idea about that?
Yeah. So see, the thing is, people don't want products, people want solutions. Always remember that. So you understand, if you're selling that video if you're selling a micro video to a real estate agent, what is the real estate agent's problem right now? It's 4:57 p.m. A real estate agent is thinking, मेरा apartment कब बिकेगा? मेरा घर कब बिकेगा, कैसे बिकेगा, why don't people understand मेरा अपार्टमेंट सबसे अच्छा है बॉम्बे में, दिल्ली में. He is wanting to explain to his client that his apartment is the best. That's his problem. His clients are not understanding. So your
Yeah.
video to your real estate agent will be, what's your name?
Deepak.
So you'll say, are you thinking you have an unsold inventory and you want to sell it? Your clients don't understand what is the difference between your apartment and other people's apartments. I will give you one explainer video that will make it easy for your clients to understand the difference between your product and other people's products, and your sales will happen fast. If you don't believe me, I'll give you the first video for absolutely free. Try it. My name is Deepak. Click on the number. Let's get on a call. Once you get into real estate business, you know, you can get lots of clients for them. Entry-level program you can give him for free, but solve his problem. Similarly, if you want to talk to a travel agent, right? You're like, okay, travel agent. What is the travel agent's problem? Okay, travel agent is thinking, how should people are not traveling? How should I make this happen? Okay, so you're like, okay, are you a travel agent and you're thinking that people are not traveling to Agra anymore and you do tours to Agra? Listen, let me tell you, I've done my research and Delhi is open. For example, Delhi is open. You can do Delhi tours in the morning, afternoon, and evening, and you can tell people which you can do an explainer video, which are the safe spots in and around Agra to travel. And that can happen through my explainer videos. People will understand, you will unlock their confusion, and you will get the business. If you want to know how, click on my link. I'll make an explainer video for you. Always lead with a solution. You're not a product seller, you're a solution provider. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, so Kanto, we'll take one last question, and it's 5 o'clock. I need to wrap it up, and we need to do the webinar planning now.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I'm a stock market expert, and I provide classes on capital markets.
Lovely.
So my last week I attended your live webinar, and I was, up for it. But I'll be subscribing for it this coming week. I have one doubt, one question, and a fear in my mind. That fear is like, I was thinking of opening my online academy, because nowadays I think COVID-19 will go up to next December.
Yeah.
So getting customers and businesses are tough as of now. So I was just thinking to open an online academy where I'll put on all of my courses. I have designed my 70 courses of my own. So that's a 70-day course on capital markets. I'm just afraid, what if people, they copy and they have they record my screen or something like that, and they flourish it on internet, YouTube, anywhere. So how do we tackle this type of?
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. There are a couple of things. Number one, the thing is, this course market is a market where you constantly upgrade and update your courses. So they're never going to remain the same. So if somebody copies my course, in the next 2 weeks, I would have added 30% new stuff to my existing LMS, and people will have a different experience. So it doesn't matter, koi purana copy kar raha hai, main to naya banata ja raha hu. Number one. Number two, your course product on its own is never complete without your weekly consulting, without access to your Facebook group where you are answering people's questions, right? You will give them a course, you will give them a weekly training, and you will give them access to a Facebook group where all your students are asking questions, and there's a community. Even if they take your course, what's going to happen to the community and all of that? Your course is not complete without a community and without your personal training. So don't worry about it.
Exactly. Okay. So thank you so much for your, you solved my major doubt. Thank you so much, sir.
All the best.
It means a lot.
Thank you. I really
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to wrap it up now because we have lots of stuff happening today. It's a 1-hour show. Please book in your slots because we're going to do the same thing tomorrow as well. If you found value in the Ask Avi Arya show, please don't hesitate. If you're on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, just put in the comments. If you found value, let me know how you like this show. We're going to do it twice a week, Friday and Saturday, 1 hour each, taking your questions live. And if I get a good response, we start doing it more regularly because I want all of you to understand that social media is one of the biggest opportunities in the history of business, and you cannot afford to miss on this. Great. So good news. The lady told me that she's doing a live and she's making money. That gives me immense happiness to understand that the principles and systems that we propagate are working for you to be able to make money and take care of your families during these times. Thank you very much. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Mogul, signing off for now.